Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosa, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are cooking jollof rice with fried gizzard. Ingredients for the jollof rice are 3 cups of perfumed rice, half pack of gizzard, chicken seasoning powder, powdered pepper according to your preference, red onions, regular spices for stew which include curry powder, nutmeg, and Maggie cube. We'll also be using some salt, vegetable oil, sachet tomato paste, among other very needed ingredients. We'll also be using rosemary. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. Let's begin. Pour the gizzard from the pack into a bowl, add some water to it and let it sit for a while. Now peel off every yellow lining on the front parts of the gizzard, cut it into the preferred sizes you want and then wash it thoroughly. Pick it out of the water which was used to wash it, place it into a saucepan, add onto it the chicken spices, some salt to taste and then bring it to a boil for about 20 minutes. After it is cooked, place onto your source of heat a frying pan, add in vegetable oil which will be enough to fry the gizzard and then fry the gizzard for 15 minutes depending on how hard or soft you want it to be. After it is fried, remove it into a colander on top of a bowl and then set it aside. Into another saucepan, add in some oil, chop in red onions and let it fry for 2 minutes. Add in the powdered pepper, some water and bring it to a boil for about 3 to 5 minutes. After it boils, introduce into it the tomato paste. Give it a thorough stir until the tomato paste mixes with the rest of the ingredients in the bowl. Now bring that to a boil for about 20 minutes. This is basically preparing the stew or the base of the jollof rice. Add into it the spices which will be used in spicing up the stew and then let it boil. After a few minutes, add in 1.5 cup of water and let it boil for 10 minutes. After the water mixture boils, add in the rice, give it a stir and bring it to a boil for about 20 minutes. When the rice is halfway cooked, give it a thorough stir to prevent it from getting burnt at the bottom and then cover it up with a napkin for 15 minutes at most. Don't forget to add in the rosemary at this point as you stir. And with that being said, our jollof rice is ready. This meal was a very sharp one or a quickie, cooked and sent to work. Basically my lunch for the day. So this is how I packaged it and sent to work. go check out my green sauce recipe on the channel to get the full gist on how it was prepared. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. This new year, I'll be very glad if you could try any of our recipes and then give feedback on it in the comment section. Also, please subscribe to my channel, turn on your post and notification icon, and then share my videos with your friends and family. Let's all join hands and make this channel grow. Till we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.